To find best and available promo codes for Seatgeek, you simply have to search it on your Chrome and then click on the first website, that is the Time Machine. In this website, you can see there is a lot of coupon available. You $10, $5, and then whenever you will click on the show coupon option, you will see the code. You can simply copy it and then paste it on the payment page on Seatgeek official website. Now get back to the Google Chrome search here because I'm going to show you minimum of the 3 best website. Now this is the second one, fortune.com. Uh, as previous website, this is also a coupon website, and then you can find more coupon sale. There is a lot of validity. There is a lot of huge area here. So to get a code, you have to click on a copy. And now the third website called insider.com, and this is one of the best website which is known for its promo codes and offers and many type of codes available here. To get a promo code, you simply have to click on the code option and you can copy it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.